today we are eating this chicken and rice, fried rice, and this one's bell pepper.
Mm-hmm.
And this one is the green bell pepper.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we're eating today.
Mm-hmm. You forgot one thing.
Sweet regular potatoes.
Regular potatoes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so that's why we're eating today, Mama.
Okay.
So Daddy, so why are we eating today?
Rice.
And what's next?
Chicken.
And what's next? What is this?
That's vegetables.
Bell pepper is the vegetable. Good. And what is this?
I don't know.
Regular potatoes.
Oh.
Yeah. Yummy
Bon
regular
appetit.
potatoes.
You made a way. Don't know how, but you did it. You made a way. You made a way. You made a way. When my back was against the wall and it looked as if it was over, you made a way. And I'm standing here only because you made a way. You made